Alright, welcome back to Dungeons & Dragons online character creation tutorial. Today's lesson is spell selection. Some classes don't have to do spell selection. They just get their spells. They don't learn them. Clerics are an example of this. They learn all their spells. They just have to select them. They just have to prep them. Here as a wizard, I have to select which spells I know and inscribe later spells into my book, and I'll get into that later. I have a variety of spells. They all have their own usefulness. Acid Spray and Burning Hands, they're basically the same spell. It's just where the damage comes from, acid or fire. You'll notice they tell you spell point cost, the save, which again I'll get into later. Spell point cost. Is there resistance involved? And then it'll tell you how much damage it does, and what the save spell throw will do. Here's the concept of cause fear. Instead of becoming frightened, a will save will mean it's shaken. Burning Hands, it takes half damage. That's very common for damaging spells. Detect Secret Doors, that's a self-affecting spell. There's no save. You want to cast it on yourself. So it just depends on what you want, I kind of go through, pick some things I think are going to be useful. Protection from Evil, Repair, Nyax Cold Ray. It all depends on what you want, what you think is gonna give you the most benefit. So, gotta get Magic Missile. It's far too classic to avoid, for myself at least. But most classes actually just kind of learn them, most of the divine classes, because they're granted to them. The arcane classes have to learn them. Wizards will learn the most number of spells. They can learn all of their spells. So, you can trade this out using an inscription. So you go through here. This is your summary screen. This actually summarizes all the choices you've made through this. Come down here. Inscribe scroll. These are feat. This is a feat that was granted to you. I didn't choose this feat. I'm gonna have to go in later and pull that feat out so I can use it. Most people don't realize that. Sneak is granted to me immediately. They pull it out for me. Eschew materials. I'm probably gonna have to pull that one out too, and I chose it because it's not actually just given to me on my bar. Summarizes everything I did with my skills. You see here, so I know what I've done with my skills. This is all for review, so you know what you're doing. How many spell points do I have? How many hit points? Fortitude save, reflex save, will save, ability modifiers. Final step is just like the last when we were doing a path character. We now come to the look screen. We're now back at the look screen. Notice a new option though, alignment. Your alignment is automatically chosen for you when you choose a path. It is not automatically chosen for you when you're custom. Now you see the alignments. What is the point of the alignment, you might ask? Why do I need it? Well, there are two reasons for it. One, there are items that being neutral, being lawful, being chaotic, being good, all these things. There are spell effects, and there are items that affect you based on your alignment. Like there's the stability effect on items, which gives a bonus to characters that are true neutral. The other advantage to an alignment is that defining your alignment defines which classes you can cross-class into. If I chose lawful neutral, I could not get a barbarian. I could not multi-class into a barbarian. I don't think I really want to. But the fact is that barbarians need a non-lawful alignment. Take paladins, they have to be lawful good. So I couldn't be a paladin with wizards levels. As a monk, you have to be lawful. So I could cross-class with a monk with this character as it stands. So watch your alignment when you're creating a custom character, because you'll default to neutral good if you're a non-lawful character, and lawful good if you can accept lawful. And you might not want that. I don't really need to show you the description of how to do this stuff. I mean, it's character customization. Play with it till you like it. Choose a name. You need the name, you don't need the surname. Surnames are just for fun. Please do not do something like name, I'm a, surname, or name, I'm a PC, surname, and I'm a Mac. It's kind of weird. I saw a character with that, and sorry to whoever you were, I just found that name really fucking weird. If you see this video, I don't mean to offend you, but you can pull out a book of Old English names. Pull out, German names, Japanese names. There's thousands of names you can use. Not to mention weird spellings of such. You don't need to go and make a weird joke out of your name. That's just my own opinion. If it makes your game fun to go ahead and call yourself I'm a jackass, go ahead and call yourself I'm a jackass. I probably won't group with you, and you're gonna get people who probably won't group with you if that's your name. So that's just a tip on my end. So, with that said, that covers character creation. After this, I'm going to go through the tutorial, cover some gameplay basics and game mechanic basics, and then I've got another video I want to do, video series probably for both of these. I got another video series I want to do on items, cover a bunch of key mechanics on items, because a lot of people don't understand a few things about bonuses and items and how they stack. So I'll do that, and I will see you guys in game.